Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today we're diving headfirst into a topic that's close to my heart: home staging, especially here in our amazing city of Houston. You know, just like picking the perfect outfit can make you feel confident and ready to shine, staging your home is all about presenting its best self to potential buyers. In a market as vibrant as Houston, making your house stand out from the crowd is key, and that's where staging comes in. We're going to walk through some simple but effective tips that can make all the difference when it comes to selling your precious home. Let's get started. Imagine yourself as a buyer, driving up to a house for the first time. What's the first thing you notice? You got it. It's that initial glimpse, that curb appeal, that can truly make or break a first impression. Here in Houston, where the streets are lined with charming homes, we want yours to be the one that makes their hearts skip a beat. Think of it like this: the outside of your house is like a warm invitation, beckoning potential buyers to step inside. A freshly mowed lawn, neatly trimmed shrubs, and maybe a pop of color with some seasonal flowers by the porch can work wonders. And don't underestimate the power of a freshly painted front door. It's like the welcoming smile of your home. Now, let's step inside, shall we? When it comes to showcasing your home's full potential, remember this: less is always more. I know, it's easier said than done, but trust me. Decluttering and depersonalizing are absolutely essential for helping buyers envision themselves living there. Start by clearing those countertops. Put away the toaster, the stacks of mail, everything. You want those surfaces to be sparkling clean and clutter-free. Next, pack away any personal items like family photos and those adorable finger paintings your little ones made. Don't worry, you can bring them to your new home. Remember, we want buyers to see themselves in your space, not wondering who currently lives there. Now, let's talk about the magic of lighting. You know, natural light is like a breath of fresh air, isn't it? It makes a space feel so much more open, inviting, and, well, happy. Throw open those curtains, raise those blinds, and let the beautiful Houston sunshine flood in. And speaking of light, don't underestimate the power of lamps. A well-placed lamp can instantly create a cozy and inviting ambiance in any room. Think about adding some table lamps to your living room or bedside table. Está que Now, let's talk about color, specifically the power of neutrals. Think of your home as a blank canvas, and those neutral colors are what allow potential buyers to easily paint their own dreams onto it. Warm grays, creamy whites, and soft beiges. These are your best friends when it comes to staging. These versatile hues create a sense of calm and sophistication, making rooms appear larger and brighter. And here's a little bonus tip. If you want to add a pop of personality, bring in some colorful throw pillows or a vibrant piece of artwork. It's all about balance, y'all. Now, I know that staging can feel like a lot to tackle. especially when you're already juggling a million things. But here's the thing. Sometimes it's best to call in the professionals. Just like you wouldn't hesitate to hire a plumber for a leaky faucet. Enlisting the help of a professional homestager can be a game changer. They have the expertise and the eye for detail to transform your home into a showstopper. From furniture placement to accessorizing, they'll work their magic to make your home irresistible to potential buyers. It's an investment that can pay off big time. Well, friends, there you have it. Some simple but effective staging secrets to help your Houston home truly shine. Remember, staging is all about showcasing your home's full potential and creating a space where buyers can envision themselves creating their own happy memories. So, go ahead and give these tips a try. You might be surprised at what a difference a little staging can make. And who knows, you might even discover a newfound love for interior design along the way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And hit that subscribe button for more home improvement inspiration. Thanks for stopping by, and happy staging, y'all!